Guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use portrait mode. Make sure you have positioned your chair. You come out and sit down. What you are going to be doing here is just to open your eyes wide. All right, you can stay like this for a few seconds or a few minutes, depending on what you want to achieve or what you want people to see. Then after that, now you can now walk out. Okay, save the video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. Guys, welcome to your Capcut as we create another amazing video together. Click on Capcut, new project. Now guys, import this your video to workspace. Look at that volume sign there. You are clicking it as we silence the volume. So adjust the video from this point. You click and make a split, delete this first part, then you go to the last part, click here, make a split, delete this part. So from here you click on the video now and expand it, position it the way you want it to be. Then after this, now you are going to go and look for mask. All right, just position the video, locate mask. Guys, locate mask, click on mask. Now click on circle, use these two arrow here and circle this your eyes. Come down and do your circling very well so that your circling will look very okay. So don't rush here, do your circling so that your circling will look very good. After doing your circling, after the circle, you click on this good here, then you are going to be going back. All right, so after the whole circling, click on that good, you screenshot this part, screenshot here, then you click it and cropple your screenshot, cropple it, do your cropping. Guys, resize it, do your cropping. After cropping it, now you are going to be clicking on done. Click on done, save to photos. Then you click on mask again, click on invert. Mark on this good and go back. You are going to be exporting this part, so you click on export. Now you allow it to export completely. All right, mark on that done there, click on new project. All right, click and import this your video you just exported. Now you are going to be clicking it to go and look for mask for the second time. Locate mask for this, click on mask. Guys, click on mask, click on circle again, then you use that two arrow and circle this your other eye, the second eye, circle it. Come down and do your circling like we did before. After circling it, you are going to be marking on this good and go back, mark on the good, then you screenshot here as well. You click it and resize it again, cropple it by resizing it. All right, do your resizing. After resizing it, you mark on done like you did before, save to photos. Click on mask again, guys, invert, click on invert, mark on this good and go back. So at this point, this is what we have got. You click it and look for freeze. We want to freeze this part, look for freeze. Okay, freeze here. Now click on this first part and delete it, then click on this one and delete it. This is what we have got. Click on this plus here, import this your video to workspace for the second time. At this point, look for volume. Click volume here, reduce it to 0, mark on this good, you go back, locate the part where you want this video to start from. Okay, but guys, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Okay, tell us what magic effect you would like us to create next. Okay, drop them at the comment section. Welcome back to this tutorial. Locate where you want it to start from, click here, you make a split. Okay, click it and swap it. As you swap this part, then you come back. Now click on this one and expand it, make it look equal with this middle one that you worked on. Expand it, then you check the middle one, make them look equal. So after working on this one, now you come to this one. We are working on this one as well. Before you stand up, immediately you blink your eyes. You are going to be clicking here to make a split and delete this middle part. All right, so this is what we have got. Click here. Now you are going to be working on the middle part. All right, the one you freezed. So drag it, extend it a bit. After working on it, the next thing we are going to be doing is to import one of those eyes. So click on this arrow here, you click on this arrow, then you are going to be clicking on overlay. Mark on this arrow, click on overlay, add overlay photos. Now import this your eyes here, import it to workspace. All right, so you click it and drag it to cover that middle part there, work on it, after which you click it and expound it. After expounding it, now you are going to be locating remove BG. Click on remove BG, guys, custom removal. Then you adjust your brush size, then you click on brush, then you brush out this your eyes. Look at what I am going to be doing. So brush this your eyes. After brushing it, you allow it to remove. Now mark on this good and go back, then you crumple it and position it at the point of that your eyes. Go and put it there, make it look good. All right, after doing the whole thing, now you are going to be marking anywhere to click on add overlay again. You import this second eyes to workspace, then you work on it so that it will align with the first one you have imported. So make the two of them align. After doing it, you are still going to be expounding it like you did to the other one. Expound it. After expounding it, make it look the way you are going to work on it. You go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG, custom removal again. Then you brush out this your second eyes here. After brushing it, you allow it to remove completely. Mark on this good now. Then you go back, still crumple it and go and position it there. Then you come down and do your necessary adjustment. All right, come down here, do your necessary adjustment. Look at what I am going to be doing. After doing your necessary adjustment, now we are going to be coming to this other part to work on it. You work on this last part of the video, so make it look the same size with the other ones. After working on it, come down and work on it. After working on it, you come back to this one, click here now, locate where you want to add your keyframe. All right, so from here, add your keyframe here. Now click on the down one, add your keyframe, adjust a bit, adjust a little bit. Then you are going to drag this your eyes up, position it where you want to be. Click on this one, drag the eyes up again, position it where you want to be. Then you play it. Let's see what we have got. Play it. Let's see what we have. Good. So you allow it to play. When you get to this almost the end here, click here and add keyframe again. Click this one and add keyframe. Come to this demarcation here, then you drag the eyes down. All right, bring it down, position it well. Click on the down one, click on the down one, you still drag the eyes down as well. Then you make your necessary adjustment, make the two eyes to look good, let them look perfect. All right, after that, now look at what we have got. Good. So come to this other part, come to the middle, click on this demarcation here, you add this miss here, add miss, mark on that good and go back. So at this point we are going to be playing this video from the beginning, but at this point this video is ready. Remember to add your sound effect and every other effect. After adding them, you now export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry, at the description of this video my number is there. DM me, then you click on export. You export this video to your gallery. All right, now this video have been stored in your gallery, guys. Guys, tell us your opinion about this video. What magic effect would you like us to create next? Drop them at the comment section. You love this video, you love what we are doing, smash your like button, locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done that for more updates. All right, thank you for watching, guys. See you in our next video. We love you. Okay, we love you. Thank you very much.